as international cricket returns to India and we return back on YouTube to the M21 family, so does the fever of the most awaited T20 league. As many as 299 players went under the hammer on 18 February 2021, and IPL fans all across the globe saw many records being broken in an ironically termed mini IPL 2021 auctions. But if you perhaps missed all those hammer calls, all the prize wars, and all those roundtable discussions between the teams, just don't worry, as we have got you covered up. So, let's look at the IPL 2021 auctions roundup. The Yellow Army, the Chennai Super Kings, who were actually found napping in the 2020 IPL edition, had some good buyings for the upcoming season, as they bought in Krishnappa Gautam for a staggering amount of 9.25 crores, making him the most expensive uncapped purchase ever in IPL history. Alongside him, they also purchased the English all-rounder Moeen Ali for 7 crores and the second wall of Indian cricket Cheteshwar Pujara at his base price of 50 lakhs. All these players can come in handy on slow Chennai pitches if at all IPL happens in India. Delhi Capitals. The mighty Delhi Capitals, who proved their mettle at the 2020 edition of the Dream 11 IPL, hope to lift up the coveted vessel this time around. Being already a formidable and a stable side, they have perhaps made the best use of their purse, getting some big players on board at minimal prices. Delhi Capitals purchased Tom Curran for 5.25 crores, the mighty Steve Smith for just 2.2 crores, and the fiery English batsman Sam Billings for just 2 crores. With the likes of Prithvi Shaw, Shreyas Iyer, Shikhar Dhawan, and Rishabh Pant already with them, Delhi now has a really strong batting lineup. Alongside Prashant Sharma, Andre Nokia, and Umesh Yadav being bought in, Delhi fans could also witness some stumps flying all around the park. KKR hai taiyar. Yes, the Knight Riders are ready and will eye at making a strong comeback at the Vivo IPL 2021. Bangladeshi all-rounder Shakib Al Hasan is all set to make his comeback into the side alongside Harbhajan Singh and Bet Cutting, getting on board at 2 crores and 75 lakhs respectively. While Shakib and Ben Cutting can be used as backup all-rounders for Andre Russell, Bhaji can also come in handy as a substitute for Sunil Narayan. Mumbai Indians. After losing the services of Lasith Malinga and Mitchell McClenaghan, Mumbai Indians dearly needed some overseas quicks, and they got two, indeed, in the form of Nathan Coulter-Nine and Adam Mill, purchasing them for 5 and 3.2 crores respectively. They also got on board mighty wrist spinner Piyush Chawla for 2.4 crores alongside James Neesham and Arjun Tendulkar. Having already a strong core, Rohit and company would now be fancying their chances towards conquering the implausible, a hat-trick of IPL wins. Punjab Kings. Coming with changed titles, yet having the biggest purse at the IPL 2021 auctions, the Kings from Punjab had a lot to purchase from the auction market. Winning a fiercely competitive bidding war, Punjab bought in Jai Richardson for a whooping amount of 14 crores. Fortunes also shone on the uncapped Australian Riley Meredith as he got a whooping 8 crores from Punjab's treasury. Besides, Moses Enriquez, David Malan, Fabian Allen, and Indian finisher Shah Rukh Khan were the other top buyers for Punjab. Rajasthan Royals. The most expensive buy ever in IPL history came for no surprise from the royal family. Chris Morris, the South African all-rounder, scripted history as he backed a staggering amount of 16.25 crores at the 2021 IPL auctions after a long-fought prize war. Besides him, the Royals also purchased all-rounder Shivam Dube for 4.2 crores, Chetan Sarkaria for 1.2 crores, and Bangladeshi dead bowling specialist Mustafizur Rahman for 1 crore. Getting a little more than 1 crore per game, Morris will now indeed have a big responsibility to bestow come the 2021 edition of the IPL. Yet, only time will tell what returns will RR get on their whooping investment. Royal Challengers Bangalore. Perhaps the most unsettled side in the entire IPL, RCB once again made some fine-tunings to their unit, making two of the most biggest investments in Kyle Jamieson of 15 crores and snatching Glenn Maxwell from CSK for an astonishing bid of 14 crores. RCB would really like to play a different brand of cricket this time around, with Daniel Sams and Harshal Patel also coming in from the Delhi Capitals alongside the purchases of Daniel Christian, Sachin Baby, and Mohammad Azharuddin. Kohli's army is all set to pose a tough challenge to the other teams. Indeed, last but never the least, Sunrisers Hyderabad remained a bit dormant in this IPL auction. Having already a very settled unit with themselves, the purchase of Kedar Jadhav for 2 crores will provide a lot of stability to their middle order. Alongside him, they also purchased the Afghan spinner Mujibur Rahman for 1.5 crores, and he, bowling with the majestic spinner Rashid Khan, offers a mouth-watering prospect for all the SRH fans. The 2 months long T20 extravaganza promises to be a lot more entertaining and exciting, as 8 teams will battle it out in the tournament to win the coveted IPL trophy. For all the latest updates regarding IPL 2021, do check our newly created Instagram page M21 Cricket. Also comment down below your favorite team of this IPL, and don't forget to subscribe to M21 Cricket to reminisce all your cricket memories.